What's up, you guys? I'm Isabella Barbosa. I need to chill out. And you, my friend, are watching my YouTube channel. Everyone's having a wonderful day, and today I have a little something up my sleeve. So you might be wondering, why do I look like a fucking Cheeto? Good question. And by the title of this video, you probably already know what's about to go down, bruh. And I would just like to say that my best friend that is with me that is also getting her hair dyed in this video, her name is Daniela, and she is the best. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Without further ado, hit it! This is Daniela Rodriguez. Today we're gonna be dyeing our hair, and these are our colors that we have chosen.
I got blonde, like bleach blonde.
I just got pink, like
Playboy bunny blonde.
I'm excited about this.
I mean,
all right,
I'm iffy.
Let's just get started, okay?
It's a little bit lighter, so
it's a great day to dye your hair. So I'm going through a bit of a midlife crisis. That's why I'm dyeing my hair.
This is the developer.
What's that?
The developer.
Yeah.
Can we press pause?
Oh, shit.
Can you just see if this is the only thing that goes in the bottle?
I really don't want to read this though. Oh my gosh.
Mine is just white. My dye just looks like jizz. Don't put that in there, please.
I'm definitely gonna put it in. We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna... Gosh, I cannot believe we're doing this.
Just like...
Dude, this smells so bad in here.
Looks like ranch.
I can't see what I'm doing. We're going out like this because we have to go get hair dye. It's vlogging time.
Do you feel good?
I feel great. I'm fine.
It's just the bleach.
We ran out of dye. No, I don't. We're getting. I didn't bring the bottle. I couldn't find the same exact color, so I had to mix a couple.
I was talking.
This is probably so unprofessional. Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna let it sit in our hair. So we left off going to go get more hair dye. We did. My pink didn't work, her blonde didn't work, so we went back and got more hair dye. We put more blonde in her hair, and now I changed from pink to teal, and I wanted to get my hair dyed for the third time. So me and Dunny, we try to dye our own hairs. Didn't work out, but we decided to just leave it for the professional. Dunny got her hair semi-blonde. It's like a honey blonde. So we're gonna put more highlights in her hair, and my hair is gonna be blue. I'm about to go leave and pick her up, and we're gonna get her hair done.
This is shitty ass Richmond.
Just keep breathing. What the fuck? I've been waiting for a fucking hour. So nervous.
I am so mad.
Hi.
I'm blonde. James blonde. Bitch I've ever seen.
Oh shit. Why do you always look at me when I'm doing the weirdest face?
Oh, oops, I was getting the floor. Let's see it.
This is my hair. Oh shit! Oh my god! I've never had color in my hair.
Looks dope.
Alrighty guys, so we're ready for the big reveal.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it. Let them feel it. And I'm still in the murder business. I can hold you down.
So I was filming my video and I saw that the lighting was really bad. But this is the finished look. It's really blue. It looked dark, really dark in the video, but like it's super light. And then the roots are like purple. See? So this is the finished look. Gizmo! I really love it. Like, I love it. This is the first time I've ever done any color in my hair, and it's unbelievable. I feel like a boss in a bunch. Donnie couldn't be here, unfortunately, for the ending of the video because she lives 30 fucking minutes away. So I'd like to say thank you to Rosanna for doing my hair, and thank you for Logan for doing Donnie's hair. You guys did a wonderful job. I'm so happy, and I'm definitely going to be coming back to get my hair, done again. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and somewhere the bell button so you won't miss out on our videos. And thank you so much for everybody that subscribes, supports, comments, likes. I love you. You're the best. I'm Isabella Barbosa, and you, my friend, were just watching my YouTube channel.
Downtown, we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My head to the bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip the beat.
I just kind of do it whatever, like this. Just get it all in my hair. It looks like ranch dressing.
You're in my bubble. I can't see the movie.
Good God.
Sorry, I know, right?
Come on.